Alright, so it's been a while since I've made a video. Got depressed, got frustrated. Think I might have the audio sync problem figured out. I'll have to attempt it. Gonna make a test video tonight for that. This one is just gonna go up so I put something back up. And it's been freaking cold. Freaking cold. Oh no. Oh no. That's not good. I also have to fix my thingy here. But that's to worry about later. So, started cleaning the truck because I had tools and just crap everywhere. So I was helping other people with their cars, and I was supposed to go to other houses to work on mine, but I didn't. Most of this crap is going in the house, and I still have a problem because this one doesn't come up. But whatever, that's to deal with another day. You will see, I have the trailer now. Truck towed it awesomely. But, where did I put my parts? Let's hold on a second. You will see, still a ton of crap on that side. I haven't uploaded this video yet, but I've cleared a lot of space out here. Trying to move everything I'm keeping, like tools and stuff, to that side. And totally clear out this side, and then set up my tools in the back and just get a good setup going, and then go through all of my car parts, because like you can see an engine over there, there's one hiding right here. But anyways, got more tools also. Got a blowgun kit, got more of these, got a stubby guy, I got those. There's some other crap I got too. Oh, I got this. Where did it go? This thing from Harbor Freight, which has turned out to be pretty awesome. I've used other air adder things. The only thing I wish is this was a little bit longer and clipped onto the valve stem. So I think I'm going to add, because I can just unscrew this and add any attachment I want. So I'll make it a little bit longer so I'm not right up next to the truck, just in case the crazy odd time happens and the tire explodes on me. I'm not right next to it. But you will see here, I pulled this ugly plastic thing off. I'm going to make this look better. See if I can't remove that, because I don't mind seeing my wires. That big plastic Vortex thing, I just think it's ugly. But replacing this, or well, already replaced, it's called the ignition coil. One of them was bad and not working properly. Well, I think it was bad. Could be the spark plugs, could be something else, but you can hear it stumbling just a tiny bit. So eventually I'm going to do all the spark plugs. I've ordered them. Just too cold to work on that. But we'll pause this. I'll shut this off and explain how to do that. Oh yeah, and so you know, the bolt that's here, it's an 8mm socket. So this is the one that was originally bad. I moved it over to this one, so I just got two of them. They were used, $15. They have a warranty. So I was like, whatever. They don't go bad that often. So to get to these two, I had to move these heater lines. You unplug this, because I have weak hands. You will see there's a clip here. This is hard to do with one hand. But I use the screwdriver, pop it up, and it's clear. Do the same thing for that one. And then it's a 10mm socket for these. This one I had to use just the socket on the wrench. These ones I used a nice long extension and was able to easily do it. It was a lot easier. And then they just pull off, just 2 bolts, put them back in, and good to go. Now the other thing I'm doing today, which you saw the video for the cold air intake here, you will notice it says, ooh, don't want to drop these pretty things. Wish those were powder coated instead of just painted black, but whatever. K&N. That means it's got a forever filter on it. Here's the air filter box. Whoa. Nothing in there. Nothing in there. And those are just 4 giant screws. And to remove all of this, there's one clip here. You got this. I don't know what socket size that is. I can find out, but I just used my flathead screwdriver. Looks like some sort of clip there. I really need a workspace here. There, that'll work. And then there's one here. And then you pull it all off. You will have to save this. This is the mass airflow sensor. But actually I don't think I have to unclip that. I think I'll just separate these and pull it off, and now you don't have to worry about that. I'm gonna get working on this, and because it's friggin' 0 degrees Celsius, I'm going to just work and not film. I'll be back. Good times. Alright, time for an update. Got everything off. This is the original air filter box. The top of it, I did find pulling the box off with the sensor. It was a lot easier to pull the sensor off while it was outside of the box, outside of the engine bay. So there's that. Now, to really compare, this hooks up to the motor like that. You'll see it's got all these ribs there. It's got this extra thing. Just horrible. Horrible, horrible. So I went and spent 60 bucks. I think it was 60. Got this big ass air filter. It's got this nice smooth tube, which now that I'm looking at this, I hope there's some connector in there, which there is. There's a few, it looks like. We'll connect up. That'll go there. And then the air filter will go there. It'll be down here more. And all will be good. I got all sorts of connectors and crap over there. And this piece, I don't know what I'm gonna need, but I saved all my clamps. This went around here, and then that thing went into it. So, we're gonna get back working on that. And we'll get an update shortly. Alright, so, by now we should all know how ADD I am. But, as an update, I still have all these little parts. This was something I ripped off that now I don't think I had to. So I think this is a spacer I was supposed to use. But also there's a hole for a bolt there. I will show you. You can also definitely tell this is a really, really cheap cold air intake. I would probably buy a much better one in the future, but for now this will work, and fuck it, it works. So it's all in there. I did reuse this band. The rest are all new, came with the kit. That's the mass airflow sensor, and it goes through. It does clip in right there. There is another thing down here, but I don't see anywhere for that to actually attach to. And now that I'm looking at this box, there's a weird hole here that you can't see. And yeah, but this piece is too low and doesn't match with this one, so I can't put in my bolts. Hey! So I think this is to raise it up. We'll find another day when it's warmer. Let's get this piece started. That's it for today. Oh, we did not shut that very well. Oh, I gotta add oil still. I forgot this baby burns a lot of oil. Wow, there's some weird marks on my hood. So, gonna add some oil, take it for a little trip, get some more gas. So I still have no idea how much gas I've got. And then I'm gonna edit this video. And well, you don't know it, but we had a lot of rain and the basement's flooded, so I'm probably going to deal with that. ATF, coolant. Maybe I need to go to the store and buy some oil. Maybe I've used it all. Big jug of brake fluid. Obviously, I still need to clean and organize everything because I can't find anything. More transmission fluid, more brake fluid, used oil. Looks like I used all my oil. So we're gonna go to the store, get some oil, put that in, edit this video, go for a drive, then edit video. So, peace out. Yeah, we're just gonna go peace out today.